on this SQUAREBILL 6 cents crankbait. Yeah. Yep. Yep. All right, guys. Welcome back to Fishing Friday. We've been out here for a few hours already and haven't had much luck. We are out here today on Patrick's 1436 budget build. We did a whole series on this on the channel, which I'll link below. It's been a few years since we built it. It's about time to be redone, but let's go ahead and roll some shots of what this thing looks like now. We're out here at the same lake. We have a little bit different conditions. It's super sunny, some cloud cover, really hot. It's still about 90 degrees. And we have a pretty good wind blowing through here. Throwing the spinnerbait right now. And if this doesn't work, I'll probably switch over to one of those cranks.
Oh, dude, I had one, man.
Really?
Yeah, I thought it was hung. God, man.
Shook them off.
Maybe I'll play with the swing. Oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure I can just got smacked on this.
Ooh. Yeah. Yep. Yep. That's a good one. Oh gosh, okay. He's swimming this way. Oh. No.
Yes!
Oh my gosh.
Dude, that's a solid one, dude.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Dude.
Oh gosh. That's my first real crankbait fish, honestly.
Watch your hands so you don't flip and hook you.
Oh man.
What do you say, 4?
It's that 6 cents silent SQUAREBILL. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Extremely warm. We're gonna take some pictures real quick and get her back. What?
That's right.
3.6?
3.6.
Okay. Well, it's still
good.
very respectable.
Yeah. Alright. I don't think you can stretch your arm any farther.
Alright, got her right here.
Bye-bye, girl.
There she goes. Man.
That was cool.
That was awesome. Got him. Need the net.
It hasn't come up.
Oh, no. no.
Dang it.
Was he pretty close to the rock?
Yeah, he wasn't too far off of it.
Got him. Oh, a little dinker. A little dinker. Like a little dinker. That's a spot though. Yeah. Oh. Oh no. Don't go down there. You'll never get out. See you, dude. Ooh, I got another baby one. It might be the same fish.
That was all broken. Look at it, he's like got a...
Oh yeah. Ooh, that is a weird looking one. See you later, dude. Oh man, that campfire smells good. Got him.
Yeah?
Right off the, yep.
Nice, dude. Pretty solid fish.
Oh, man. Right as we're at the boat ramp.
Huh.
Oh.
Out from underneath the dock.
Yep, I heard it hit this metal post right here.
Uh-huh.
And I stopped it for a split second and he came out and swiped it.
Nice, dude.
Nothing crazy, but definitely a nice little fish. See you later, dude.
Yeah.